You went and changed just to grind at the beans, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking of my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in a coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip vocals, now they want my photos. Damn, I wish I could do it again, then I won't be who I am. And I really love who I am. I used to skip out on exams, now I write here. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me. Put my ass to sleep, you like a daydream. What doesn't kill me really makes me. Yeah, it makes me stronger than ever. I knew these days would get better. I just been chasing my treasure. I will not crack under pressure. Your skin so smooth like some leather. You so cute when you're fed up. Don't you never say never, cause these days will get better. I say, wait, about time I gotta upgrade. Niggas preschool, about time you move on upgrade. Up, where I say you can take the escalator, I will take the staircase. iPhone 5, yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. We did it from a
Be sure, life goes on. really see. But anyways, guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, my name is Asanda, and I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, guys, it's a new day in the vlog. I think it's the third day in the vlog. I filmed the day before yesterday, and yesterday I didn't get like a lot of the clips, but I tried. So yeah, yesterday we went race hunting with my friend. We found a race. I didn't film because we didn't like it at all. Like, it was the girl Sana, like, it's so far from the campus. Yabonje, it's bad. But today we are moving in to the same race that we didn't like yesterday. We view it, the furniture is not nice, even the environment, guys, like but we move. Since I just had already started, right, so we're just gonna stay there up until we find a better place. Then we're gonna move out, because right now we don't really have a choice. We have to stay there. But yeah, guys, I think, yeah, that's all. I don't know. I feel like I'm done. I also unbraided my hair today. I just finished bathing. I'm fresh. Thank you. But yeah, guys, I just finished bathing. I look nice. I just took out an outfit. Time is 12:42. Yeah, it's 12:42. We said we're gonna arrive at dress around 2, so they are waiting for us. The owner is waiting for us, because it's not really a race, it's like a PA. Yeah, but it's not really a PA. So yeah, I think, guys, I will do like a proper room tour for you guys when we arrive today, because today I'm feeling a little bit better. I still don't like the place, by the way, but it's better today. I don't have a choice. I need to move in. But yeah, guys, I think that's all for now. See you on the next clip. Let me jump to music, get dressed. I think I'll see you in the kitchen when I'm making breakfast.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting